In other news, the woman accused of causing death by dousing a man with a corrosive substance has been charged with assault occasioning grievous bodily harm and murder. Chevelle Sabrina Christina Walker, 34 years old, was charged Thursday by the Halfway Tree Police. Kirk Wright has the details.
According to reports on June 10, the accused confronted Mr. Clark about being unfaithful. When Mr. Clark and his son retired to bed, Miss Walker allegedly poured the corrosive substance on them both. She fled the house in a waiting motor car but later turned herself in to the police. Mr. Clark and his son were hospitalized, but he died the following day from the severity of his burns. His son, who was also badly burnt, was released from hospital weeks later. Miss Clark's sister says the accused attacked him in his sleep before injuring him with a piece of board.
When him tell me about it, I said to him, say, you're a sound sleeper, and if you don't leave that girl might kill you in your sleep. Because you sleep very dead. Me say you sleep dead, and since she lick you in the chest with that piece of board, that girl will kill you in your sleep, and so say so done.
She says her brother was a tower of strength to the family.
It's very heartbreaking. Gosh, I would say she killed the family, I would say, because he was a dependent. He was somebody that we depend on as a brother. Mostly us, the sisters. If we call on him, he's there. His nieces and nephews, if they call on him, he's there. So what she took from us is everything.
Mr. Clark's sister says the deceased man's son would oftentimes break down because of his father's death. She says he has to be attending several specialists because of the severity of his burn. The police say a court date is yet to be arranged for Miss Walker. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.